YouTube and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. My name is Melissa and I am a soon-to-be first-time mom. And today's video is actually going to help a lot of moms out there. Any mom who has bought the Baby Delight, Snuggle Nest Dream, or Snuggle Nest Harmony, you are going to be thanking me by the end of this video. I got this product thinking it was going to be a really great solution for safe co-sleeping. And so I bought the oatmeal colored Snuggle Nest Dream. And I thought, oh, like this is going to be a cinch. I'll be able to put this together in 10 seconds, plop it on the bed, throw it in the crib, whatever, wait till baby gets here. Guys, I was so wrong. This thing had me sweating, like legit. I was busting a sweat, trying not to cuss, ready to take it back, thought it was defective. If this sounds like you, definitely stick around. I'm going to show you how to put this thing together. It's way easier than it seems, and let me tell you, the instructions they give you in the box, what in the world were they thinking? Like, it was easier to put my crib together than to figure this out. They give you 4 instructions and none of them actually make sense. Like, make it make sense. I was actually yelling, make it make sense, as I was trying to put this together. So I'm really excited to be able to help you guys avoid that frustration, hopefully, if you haven't already experienced that and that's why you're here. But I am going to show you in just a couple quick, easy steps how to get this together, because you're going to need to know how to do it. Like, you're going to have to wash the components, things like that. You know, it's going to get spit up, it's going to get dirty. So you're going to want to know how to do this and do it quickly and efficiently. Moms don't have time to mess around. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. So you might as well just, I don't know, throw this out, throw it by all your other warranty crap. I don't know, but it's useless. You're also going to get the, I don't know what you would call this, the shell. So the actual fabric shell with the zippers. So that is that, and it's got that like carrying strap. You're going to get the actual bassinet sheet that is removable, and this is the actual, like, I don't know, mattress pad, I guess, for the bassinet. And then you're gonna get 2 of these guys. They actually remind me of those things that you put inside of a hat, like a baseball cap, to keep it from getting scrunchy, but one of them is longer than the other, so you're gonna wanna pay close attention to that step when we get to it to make sure that you put it in the right way, because it's frustrating if you don't. So you're going to wanna start off by having the tag of the bottom. You would think that this is the bottom because this is the tag, right? It's not. So the tag has to be up, right? So the Baby Delight logo is actually going to be facing the right direction, not upside down. So you're going to kind of want to make it look like the bassinet is already set up. So you can kind of see how I've already got that shape. Guys, I was going upside down, backwards, inside out. I had it this way. It was a disaster. But you're going to want to kind of have it in this shape to begin with, okay? So the side that has the little warning label with this little flap, that's going to be the smaller side of the bassinet. So that's going to get this guy. And then the larger one is going to go on the side that has the Baby Delight logo. So warning label and the tag side, little plastic. Baby Delight logo, big plastic, okay? Now, what I found to be a little easier is actually using the little mattress pad cover to make the bassinet kind of sit up as we're doing this, and it's gonna make so much more sense. You're gonna be like, oh my God, why did I not figure that out? I was so upset when I finally got it. So don't be embarrassed. Like, I think everybody has trouble with this because there's other videos and there's not that many of them, but I had to come here and tell you how to do this because I was like thinking that there was something wrong with me. So you'll see the bottom side, this is narrower, so you can see that it goes from narrow to wide. You're going to put the narrow side on the end with the little warning tag, and then the wider side goes by, again, the Baby Delight logo. So I'm gonna flip this and I'm gonna start with the larger side first, so that's Baby Delight logo, along with the larger plastic. Already, this is looking probably 10 times better than your first 10 tries at putting this together with the stupid instructions. So you can kind of see now, like, oh, okay, I get how it's supposed to go in theory. Now how do I get this in here? So you're going to take this and you're going to start to guide it. It's really hard to do this on camera, so hopefully you guys can see, but you can see the direction, right? So the top of the bassinet is here. This is in there, and it's just really important as you're doing it to guide the sides of the bassinet along these like grooves, so along these edges. So as you're doing it, I'm gonna try to get this in here just so you can see. You can kind of see as I'm putting this in, I'm slowly kind of like inching it along the walls. And by doing that, you're not collapsing the bassinet. So the bassinet, this is a lot harder to do on camera, but let's try to get a good angle here. So get out of the way. So you can kind of see, like, do you see like how this sort of is a groove and then this side is a groove? You want to follow those edges and try not to let the bassinet collapse on itself as you're guiding this piece of plastic into the sides. So hopefully you're getting a good angle. And I am still struggling just a bit. Sometimes you have to move that out of the way, but only because I'm really trying to make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing as I'm doing it, which is a lot harder than just sliding it in and doing it yourself. I got a little stuck there. That's why we had a little snafu. All right, so you can kind of see both sides, right, are being guided along the area of fabric that's not netting. So like the netting is gonna end up kind of on the side here, on both sides, and I'm literally just sort of inching it until I get to the end, and then it's in, okay? You've got a zipper, so we'll zip that up, and you can kind of like adjust if anything is a little off. So one side is done. Now you're gonna flip it the other way, and we're gonna do the same thing. This faces the other side of the bassinet, exact same protocol. You're gonna put this in there, start inching it in, and this side is a lot easier because it's shorter, but again, you just want to make sure that you're getting the walls to not collapse as you're kind of guiding it into the fabric. You can see that side is way easier, like leaps and bounds easier because it's shorter. So just adjust it. You're gonna zip. This piece just kind of hangs there. Now you've got a fully assembled Baby Delight Snuggle Nest Dream. And then you just flop that little mattress pad with the little cover in the bottom. And now you have a fully assembled bassinet that's portable. Guys, if I had known how easy this was, I was so upset because I was going crazy. Like, I'm like looking for the box, thinking I'm gonna have to return it. I'm thinking like they sewed something together. I was so frustrated, and it's so easy once you actually see it being done. So hopefully that was helpful. Then just last thing here on that, you're going to want to be able to, you know, port it around the house. Maybe you're traveling, things like that. All you have to do is kind of fold the sides in, and then this small part goes right into the big part. And then you've got the Velcro and a handle. So it literally travels just like a suitcase, super portable, really nice, and obviously washable. You're not gonna wanna dry it or you may never get it back together again, but really, really great invention. Horrible, horrible instructions. Like, there should be a link to some sort of YouTube channel on how to put this together because the instructions suck so bad. But once you get it, it's really simple to do. A lot harder to do on camera, obviously, as you saw me kind of struggling with the first half, but really, really a quite simple thing that they've totally overcomplicated with those like really bad instructions. So just at first glance, I'm really, really happy with the quality and just like the size, just everything about this is, I really, really like it. I'm excited to be able to use it. As a lot of you already know, I'm 7 months pregnant, expecting my little girl in February, and this is going to be a way for us to bond while I am breastfeeding. So I'll be nursing and getting her up in the middle of the night and things like that. And I just want her close to me. I want to be able to know that she's breathing, and I want to have the confidence and the peace of mind of having her close. Even though her crib is only like a few feet away from the bed, I really want her next to me. So I'm gonna obviously be very careful. I know close sleeping is kind of taboo in our society, but it is protected. I'm not a rough sleeper at all, and I sleep alone right now. So she's going to have plenty of space in the bed to be comfortable, not overheated, no extra blankets, all that good stuff. I really like it. It seems really durable, really nice breathable mesh on both sides. Breathable mesh throughout the inside here. Obviously having this be removable is nice. I got a couple extra sheets in white, and then, you know, being able to take this off if she has an accident, it's easily wiped down. I just really, really think for the money, you know, it's around $50, that this is a really, really great solution for those first couple of months that I am getting her acclimated to her new world. So I hope that this was helpful, guys. I have to tell you, like, if I had not stumbled upon a YouTube video on how to do this, I for sure would have probably returned this thing, and I would have been so upset because I was really, really excited to get this. And then, you know, I'm trying to put it together and I'm like, oh my God, did they send me a defective one? And there was a whole issue with getting it shipped here because FedEx lost my package, and then they had to send a new one, and then they were out of stock. It was like a whole thing just to get it. And then I got it and I thought that it wasn't actually working and that it was defective, and I don't know. I'm guessing that they get a lot of returns just because people think that there's something wrong with it. But hope this was helpful. I can give you guys a 29-week bump shot if you guys want to see that, and then I'll let you guys get back to your day. Alright guys, well that about rounds out today's video. Again, if you're new here and you enjoyed this type of content and enjoy product reviews and baby reviews, different pregnancy updates, and mom life, definitely encourage you guys to hit that subscribe button And make sure that you also hit the notification bell too, so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me and baby. It's been amazing being here. I hope that this video helped somebody out there. Don't quit your daydream, and until next time.